So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a Depop order as a seller. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Depop account. You can see stuff for women, men, kids, brands, sports, trending, and sale. You can see stuff for sell now. You can see your notifications, your likes, and your shopping bag. Now, in order to cancel an order as a seller, you can open up your selling page. So if you go to your seller hub, which you can access through selling right there, or you can go to selling hub, which is going to take you to a similar place, you will have the tag or tab, whatever you want to call it, that's called sold. Once you click on that, then you can see laid out information about your sold items, and then you can choose on there the one you want to refund. So if you click on that and you refund it to someone else, so you need to manually refund them, then you can ask Depop to refund you for those specific amount you had to pay for using their services. So you can contact Depop support to refund that, but you will have the refund button next to that item that you want to refund. Now the other way, if it's paid through PayPal, you will need to go to your PayPal account and then refund them there and contact Depop support for your refund of the specific amount you had to pay for their services. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Depop or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.